What's up, family? All right, today I'm in the maintenance property, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna change this tub surround. This tub surround looking mad nasty. Of course, after a couple of tenants have been in here, which you can expect. So we got a new one. So I'm gonna just show y'all the process. Okay. So these tub surrounds is glued on. Glue. This should give you some olive seeds. So you gotta take the trim kit off so you cut it on the diverter. And just so you know, the fees. Shout out to Clown Tools. Right. Mm-hmm. Right now, right here. What here is we just move on the glue. You push it well, not fast. Right, Jesus. What y'all about to see me do is a dry run before I glue it up there, because in this field we got a trick called measure twice, cut once. So we're gonna do a little dry one to see how everything look. Alright, basically I'm gonna go around from the right to the left. This side's gonna have all my cuts. Because I have the diverter right there, and also the height's gonna hit the shower head. So Gotta grab some more stuff and clean out this tub. Just about got everything prepped, and we did our dry run. So now it's time to apply. I usually use Loctite as the adhesive, so it's what we do is apply adhesive on towards the back, and then just stick them on. Make sure you get yourself enough tubes. By rule of thumb, I usually just give you about 4, 1 for each piece, and that's mostly good enough. All right, let's measure out the hole for the shower head, diverter, and the tub spout. What we're just gonna do, we're gonna cut out, make a mark up on here, so we can slide it on. So I made my measurements for my cutout, so I just did a quick dry run. So it's about ready to go up. There we go. All right, let's glue it.
I would have dropped there. I'm all in your
Nah, it's cool. Hey, listen, it's cool. At least they know it's real, right? We really do this. Uh-huh. Yeah, little quick how-to just in case, people want to learn how to do it. And plus, if I got like train guys or whatnot come up, it cut that learning curve, real quick. Because it's like, all right, the night before, watch the video. So that way, when we come on the job, you already get an idea, when we come in, oh, we doing this, we doing that, we doing that. That way it's like, all right, cool, do this. And now you know what I'm referenced to because you saw the video. Right. Now, if you don't know, that means I know you ain't see the video. And at the same time, you might as well go home, bro. You ain't no good. Right. Yeah, because you ain't paying attention. But yeah, so. Yes, sir. So it'll be like, right after this video, you should be able to install it, right? Right. That's the idea.
Did you make some?
Yes, sir.
Did you make some money on YouTube or something?
Well, the more people that watch it, so it's like at the same time, if you want to learn how to do it, you'll be on how to make money, and at the same time help me make money, right? Yeah, sure. That's what everybody else do. So, YouTube University. That's what they call it, YouTube University. Yup. All right, now it's time to put the trim kits back. I didn't know it. Yeah. Lastly, just add the caulk and silicone around the tub. Now, it'll be in another video, but